Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, the weekend is here, people. And I got an awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. And you know how the story goes. I've done the video on this one. You got to download ASAP because I do not know how long this watch face is going to be free. Now, this is one for the archives, and this is one to be downloaded for the weekend, especially if you're going to be dressed down, super casual, or just simply dressed down. This one is going to be nice to have on your wrist. Now, the name of this watch face is called Force R1 Galaxy. I'm loving the look. I love the design, and I got to tip my hat off to the developer because he gets down on some casual watch faces. Very unique, very nice, and definitely fresh. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. It's going to be dimmed down. It's going to be on a black and white theme for the most part. It's going to look super awesome. But when the watch face is on, I'm loving the look. I do love the design of this watch face. Got to get a developer for a thumbs up for this one for creativity. Now, what you're going to get is a sports look out of this watch face. You're going to get nice, fun, analog hands. You are going to get your step information for those of you all who are going to be out running and exercising over the weekend. Now, if you look up at the top, you will get info on your steps. You're going to get info on your goal completed so far as your steps is concerned as well. Now, I like the look so far as the numbers are concerned. Adds a little character to the watch face, which makes it different, gives it a unique look as well. Now, if you look in the windows, right, the one to the left, let's start with that one. It's going to give you information on floors climbed, calories burned, miles walked or ran. Everything is very legible. Over to the right, you're going to get the day of the week, an AM, PM stamp. It's going to be a 24-hour watch face as well with digital time. You're going to also get your month and your date and your battery info in the same window. Now, down at the bottom, you are going to get your heart rate information. I thought this was definitely a good look in design so far as the layout of all the information. And of course, you do know that this is an interactive watch face. If I tap in certain places, I can extract different information. So if I single tap here, I can bring up the weather. If I single tap here, I can go into my settings. And of course, if I tap here, I can bring up my step status info. And also, if I tap on this window here, I can get my calendar. Let's tap on this window here, see what it brings. Information on calories burned, my step information. So whatever you need for your step info, everything is here. Down at the bottom, of course, you know what that is. There's going to be heart rate information. And if I tap right here, it's going to bring up where I can set a favorite. So I thought this was pretty cool for a watch face. I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job. But that's not it, right? If I double tap right here, I can customize the color theme. Check it out. Of these right here, change the color. Check it out. So you can cycle through, mix and match the colors to however you see fit. I thought that was a good look, right? And if I double tap right here, I could change the color of those numbers. I thought this was super slick. I'm telling you, my man got down on this one. I thought he did an awesome job on this watch face. And if I double tap down at the bottom, I could change what's going on around the bezel of the watch. So I thought this was a good look, right? I thought it was worth a download, definitely worth checking out. All right, considering that it's free, I will say do not miss out on this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, I hope you guys have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy family and friends, but most of all, be safe. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.